Pakistan Minister Bilawal Bhutto has called the Prime Minister of India butcher of Gujarat. The Delhi BJP is now protesting in the national capital against these comments and against the Pakistan minister. Just look at the visuals that we're putting out on our screens as well. There is a mega protest against the comments that have been made by Bilawal Bhutto, who's gone on to call the Prime Minister butcher of Gujarat. Let's first understand what is the BJP's plan. Let me bring in my colleague Nikhil, who in fact has been tracking these developments for us. Nikhil, we're looking at those visuals coming in, I believe, from outside the Pakistan High Commission. Talk to us about the slogans that you're hearing and the demands of the BJP.
So, Kansha, we are currently reporting from outside the Pakistan High Commission, where the leaders and workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have gathered here in huge number. They are raising slogans against the Pakistan because in the United Nations General Assembly, which is currently underway, at that particular platform, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, he made a statement saying that Osama bin Laden is dead now, but the butcher of the Gujarat incident continues to be alive.
Right. Nikhil, give us a better backdrop of what really has happened. We all saw the comment that was made by Bilawal Bhutto, which was seen as below the belt. The rationale also being that this is a frustrated Pakistan because look what's happening with the economy and the country at large. But staying with the protests that we are seeing and the visuals that we are seeing from outside the Pakistan High Commission, what is the BJP demanding at this hour?
Okay, so demand of the BJP is that Pakistan should apologize from that particular platform for the kind of statement that they have made against the Prime Minister of the country, because at the same time, Bilawal Bhutto, who is the Foreign Minister, he has also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister from the RSS and he is working entirely for the RSS organization. He is not working for the country. So these were the kind of controversial statements which have come in from the Pakistan Foreign Minister himself. So this is the reason why many of the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have gathered here in huge number, and also their demand is that Pakistan should be immediately suspended from the assembly session of the United Nations, which is currently underway. So these are the visuals, live visuals that you are seeing, that workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party have gathered here. In fact, we have been told that the Delhi BJP working president Viren Sachdeva, along with the leader of opposition, is also going to be here. Apart from these people, BJP MP from Bengaluru South, Tejasvi Surya, he is also going to be very much part of the same. Let's try to take some of the voices from this particular place. आप यहाँ पे जुड़ी हैं, कई सारे जो वर्कर्स हैं वो आए हैं, क्या कारण है, क्या डिमांड?
देखिए, हम पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ ये किया है, जो बिलाल ने बयान दिया है उसको तुरंत उसको सस्पेंड कर देना चाहिए, उसका त्याग पत्र दे देना चाहिए। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जो विश्व जनप्रिय हैं, विश्व जनप्रिय, हर जन जन की दुआओं में राज करने वाले ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री का जो अपमानित शब्द कहे हैं, उसके खिलाफ आज हम पाकिस्तान की ईंट से ईंट बजा रहे हैं।
Okay, so clearly these were the voices that we were showing you from here, and also I would like to show you the visuals from this particular place. Thousands of the protesters of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have gathered here outside the Pakistan High Commission. They are raising slogans continuously against the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, and also at the same time they are raising the demand that the Pakistan should apologize in the public platform for the comments that they have made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So in a short while from now, we are going to see that the Delhi BJP working president Viren Sachdeva, along with LOP Ranveer Singh Biduri, they are going to be present here, and in fact Bengaluru South MP Tejasvi Surya, he is also going to be a part of this particular protest. Many of the flags can also be seen of the Indian flags, and also at the same time the flag of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So these are the workers who have come here to show the strength as well and to support for the Indian leaders as well, and many of the, in fact, they have been told that the leader of opposition and also Delhi BJP working president, he has reached here, he has sat on the protest outside this particular place, and as has mentioned earlier as well, that many of the workers, thousands of workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are very much part of the protest. There is this anger as well among different communities for the comment which has been made by the leader of Pakistan. Remember, recently, yesterday only, S. Jaishankar, who is the foreign minister of the country, he slammed Pakistan over the comment which were made by Pakistan side, and also he slammed over the terrorism activity which is currently underway for years now in the neighboring country. So this is the reason why there was backlashing, and also the controversial statement that had come in from the Pakistan side. This shows that they are exposed in a way or so at this particular platform. But these are the visuals that you are seeing from this particular place, and the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party have already arrived here. Back to you.
Right. Nikhil, and the larger backdrop, all of this is the question that was asked by a reporter to our External Affairs Minister, Dr. Jaishankar, who in fact then said very categorically that why don't you take this question to the Pakistan minister, a country that has actually shielded terrorists like Osama bin Laden, actually have no higher moral ground and in no position to sermonize a country like India. So the larger backdrop in which this comment which has been made by Bilawal Bhutto clearly shows a rattled and frustrated Pakistan.
Well, clearly, and at the same time, we have spoken to a number of leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party this morning as well, and they have clearly said that Pakistan has, as a country, no right to speak anything about Kashmir or terrorism, for that matter, because it is one such country which is always exposed when it comes to the terrorism activity. And if anything happens in any part of the globe, it is the Pakistan who is usually responsible for these kind of activities. So Pakistan, somewhere or the other, is the epicenter of the terrorism, is something which does not need any of the evidences. And Pakistan is one such country. They continue to raise the issue of the. In fact, if you remember, since last few days, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, he also raised the issue of Kashmir, and he said that this is the unfinished work, particularly from the side of the United Nations. But clearly now in the visuals, you can see that the working president of the Delhi BJP, he is speaking with the media, and also there is presence of the LOP with Hudi. Let's take some of the views. We are joined by the MLA from the Rohini, Mr. Vijendra Gupta. Sir, आप live हैं CNN News 18 पे. आज आप बैठे हैं, क्या मैसेज देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
हम पाकिस्तान को सबक सिखाने के लिए आए हैं। जिस तरह की आतंकवादी भाषा का प्रयोग एक आतंकवादी ने किया है, ये देश जिस तरह से आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा दे रहा है और भारत के प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में अपशब्द बोल रहा है, उनके खिलाफ भारत के 130 करोड़ लोग पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं।
We are also joined by the Delhi BJP working president. आज आप यहाँ बैठे हैं, क्या मैसेज दे रहे हैं, क्यों बैठे हैं, क्या गुस्सा?
देखिए, बिलावल भुट्टो ने जो बकवास वहाँ की है, यूएन में, ये उसकी खींच बताती है, क्योंकि हमारे विदेश मंत्री ने पूरे पाकिस्तान को नंगा किया है, तो वो अपनी खींच उतारने के लिए बकवास कर रहे हैं। बिलावल भुट्टो को मैं ये संदेश देता हूँ कि आज का दिन 16 दिसंबर को याद रखें। आज के दिन 93,000 सैनिकों ने, पाकिस्तान के सेना ने घुटने टेके थे। उनका जो होश पहले हुआ था वही होश अब होगा। उड़ी में वो हमारा पराक्रम देख चुके हैं, बालाकोट में देख चुके हैं, तो उनको अपनी औकात में रहना चाहिए।
पर आपको लगता है जिस तरीके से वो घूम फिर के कश्मीर को लेकर के आ रहे हैं, उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
क्या कहा?
घूम फिर के कश्मीर मसले को जो वो उठाते रहते हैं, उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
देखिए, कश्मीर हमारा मान है, हमारा सम्मान है, पूरा विश्व इस बात को मानता है। इसलिए पाकिस्तान को कोई भी विश्व का कोई भी देश भीख देने को भी तैयार नहीं है। उनका अपना एक एजेंडा है, वो आतंकवाद को श्रेय देने वाला देश है, और उसका हासिल बहुत बुरा है, सबको मालूम है।
Okay, so clearly this is how the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are slamming the statement which has been made in the public domain, particularly at the biggest platform of the globe at the United Nations Assembly session. So this is how in fact, these are the visuals we are showing you, that this is a putla, so to say, which is made by the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and we are assuming that this will be set on fire. And clearly you can see हर हिंदुस्तानी की एक ही पुकार, पाकिस्तान को सबक सिखाओ, ऐसे करके. So this is one such thing which we can see clearly at this particular place. So there is anger among the societies, among the people in general, that the kind of statement which has come in. And as far as the Pakistan is concerned, we all know, in fact, not just our country, there are different countries as well. They know very well that how the Pakistan country has been ordered by our country as far as the terrorism is concerned. And since so long, there is no proper communication, diplomatic, official communication as well with the country Pakistan. This is the reason why some sort of controversial statement also comes in some